Hello, hi everyone. Good morning. So today we'll start with one support ticket where business had a requirement that whenever they are doing a physical inventory, they need to include the freeze book quantity also, and vice versa. And sometimes in some plant they need freeze book quantity to be included. In some plant they don't want the freeze book quantity to be included. So let me explain the request first. So freeze book quantity. Freeze book quantity is nothing but the quantity which is freezed, which is not used for any production or any sales. That quantity should be considered in the physical inventory or not. So we are doing this scenario for physical inventory. So in some scenarios, business will ask you that they need to include the freeze book quantity when they are doing the physical inventory count. In some cases, they may ask they don't want the freeze book quantity to be included when they're doing the physical inventory. So to do that, first let me check in our system the freeze book quantity is allowed or not. So that can be looked after by opening the physical inventory and check the freeze book quantity. So to create the physical inventory, we use the transaction of MI01. So this is the transaction which is used to create the physical inventory document. So if I go inside this transaction, it will take you to the create physical inventory document. So put the plant for which you want to count the physical inventory and put the storage location under which storage location you want to do the physical inventory count. And if you want to include the freeze book inventory, you need to select this option. Then click on enter. As of now, system is accepting the freeze book quantity also to be included in the physical inventory. If I click on create, the system will automatically create the material. You can put all the materials and save. Now, for example, you have one material which is A1. We take an example first. So you have a material M1. In the system M1, the stock is 100. In this 100, there are two types of stock, which is usable stock and which is free stock. So when we select the free stock while creating the physical inventory document, the both unusable stock and the free stock is coming into picture. Now business will ask you, they don't want this free stock to be or freeze book quantity to be included in the physical inventory. To achieve that, you need to do some part of configuration so that the system will not pick the freeze quantity while you create the physical inventory document. To do that, you go back. You need to go to the configuration path of SPRO. Under SPRO, go to reference IMG. Under this, go to material management. Here, as physical inventory will come into the part of inventory management, you need to select the inventory management and physical inventory. So open this and select the physical inventory here. Open physical inventory. And here you have a configuration called allow freezing of book inventory balance in storage location. So open this, put the plant for which you want to do the count of physical inventory and click OK. And here for the storage location SL01, it is activated. So let me deactivate this and save. ATR will get generated. Click OK. Then go back. Now go to the physical inventory document. Now put the transaction of MI01. Here, now I'm going to select the plant and storage location, and I'm going to select the freeze book inventory. Now I have blocked the freeze book inventory in the backend configuration. Now if I try to create the physical inventory, system will throw me an error saying that freezing of book inventory balance in storage location SL01 is not allowed. This is achieved based on the configuration which we did now. We went to SPRO. Under SPRO, in material management, under inventory management, physical inventory, under physical inventory, we unselected this allow freezing of block inventory. If you allow this freezing block inventory, then the system will consider. If you don't allow, then system will not consider. Okay, first we are going to test this in a quality system or the sandbox system. Then if client is satisfied with the output, then we are going to create this entry in development server. In the same development server, I go to the same node, I'll select, I'm going to allow it, save, a TR will get generated. So using this TR, I'm going to transfer the data to the production server. Because I can't do this configuration directly in the production server, I will use the development server to do the configuration. Then I'll move the TR to the production server so that the configuration will work. Okay, thank you.